racing just started. Reeses will break quickly to start. Pronto is on the outside. Multi-awardee Calambogis rushing up. Down on the inside is Lady Sip. And going along for the first turn, Reeses will by about 2 lengths. Pronto moving up down on the inside is Multi-awardee. Rushing about the outside is Calambogis to take second, and in fifth Barrio San Jose, Lady Sip. Crisus racing second last, while Royal Jewels is racing in last. Back to the rear, Jesus will moving up on the outside is Calambogis. 2 lengths further back in third comes Multi-awardee. Down on the inside is Barrio San Jose. Pronto, Lady Sip. Crisis comes next, so while Royal Jewels is still racing in lens and at the fourth turn. The lead now belongs to Calambogis. Moving up down on the inside is Multi-awardee. Then followed by Isis Will, Lady Sip. Barrio San Jose comes next. Pronto as they swing for home. We have Calambogis by about 2 lengths. Multi-awardee still in second. Down in third comes Isis Will. Last 75 meters, we have Calambogis, followed by Multi-awardee, Barrio San Jose, and finally Calambogis. Then comes Multi-awardee, Barrio San Jose, Isis Will, Pronto.
Okay, outstanding favorite Calambogis crossing the wire first, ridden by Ramon Di Raquel Jr. Masisegundo yung 5 Multi-awardee, Barrio San Jose, then Isis Will. 4-5-1-6, unofficial. Panoorin natin.